Hi everybody! It's been just so hot in the summer. You don't want to use gas in your kitchen for such a long time. So here is my recommendation. How about this recipe? Shh! You can make it just like this. So let's get started. The ingredients are dried shiitake with 200 ml of hot water, mentsuyu, light soy sauce, mirin, sour plum, umeboshi, and sliced pork. Pour the 200 ml of shiitake broth and cut shiitake itself into a pan. Add mirin and mentsuyu. When it's boiled, put sliced pork one by one. Then light soy sauce and the sour plum. Umeboshi is a Japanese superfood. It has citric acid and gives you a promotion of appetite. When the pork is nicely cooked, let's dish up. So how was it? It was just like, see? Takes 5 minutes. And of course, it's just so delicious. And if you want to have somen and you want something beside it, this is just the right recipe. I really hope you're gonna enjoy the summer with these recipes. Next video, I'll show you one more recommended recipe which you can keep longer in the fridge. So please looking forward to it. See you!